first token generated by Decentralized AI. Well, today I'm super excited to be talking about this next project called Kizuna. But before we do that, make sure you're doing research to figure out if this project is for you. So this one is definitely unique. Obviously, AI has been the biggest topic in the last year or so. We'll talk about how this project came about, kind of the inspiration, all the cool features that they have, which is definitely something that makes this project unique. And of course, we'll talk about how you guys can be involved if you guys choose to do so. Really cool. Definitely interested in this one. So let's go. Kizuna. Here on website at kizunatoken.io. I'll put the link in the description so you guys check this out for yourself. Again, this is definitely really cool because the AI component, I think they're building a strong community. I've done a lot of stuff with AI. I'm a huge fan. I've messed around with Stable Diffusion, used a bunch of web UIs, etc. So I think this one definitely stands out for me. I think all projects should really look into AI as some component of what they're doing if they want to stay relevant for the next couple of years. So let's talk a little bit about it. So let's jump into the different features that make this project unique. But they said that this combines Ryoshi's principle of decentralized maximalism with SHIB with a brand new decentralized AI marketplace, BitTensor. So when we say BitTensor, we'll talk a little bit about that. BitTensor, or Tau, is the symbol of that project. So essentially they're inspired by SHIB being remastered with AI. So cool. So here's the feature. So generated via BitTensor AI, Kizuna is a decentralized autonomous perpetual community created with the principles of unity, self-determination, and collective self-accountability. 100% fully decentralized. Obviously, security is the main component of what they're doing. Tax-free transactions, which is unique. Kizuna Tensor expands the capabilities of Kizuna with AI-powered image and text generation to Kizuna Tensor. Obviously, text generation and image generation is the latest craze. I know a lot of people are getting to video generation. There's some cool videos out there. And then, of course, you guys are interested, join the community, hear directly from them. If you guys want to check out the Kizuna Archives, I think what's cool about this is obviously they feature some of this AI artwork. And any of these, if you want to learn about the birth of Kizuna, and then if you want to learn about unlocking the new horizons, the scene for chapter 3, centralized future, chapter 2, the interlude, chapter 2, the prelude, decentralized AI for humanity. So again, you can click on the mascot is decentralized AI. So if you click on any one of these, you can learn more about it. They have their medium where you could kind of dig in deeper into each one of these topics. Their chapter 3 is Kizuna Tensor. So it says leveraging BitTensor. So again, if you guys are not familiar with it, I definitely say that you guys should do your research on what that is about. But it's essentially a decentralized AI marketplace. So powered by decentralized mining in the Tau network. Kizuna Tensor combines advanced AI technology with blockchain rewards. They have AI image and text Telegram bot. So I haven't seen that out, so I think that's pretty unique. Obviously, a bunch of people that are investing in crypto and blockchain are on Telegram. So being able to do everything like AI image and text within it, I think is pretty cool. There's some even websites out there that make you pay or have a subscription in order to generate AI images. So it's cool that they have that available. Exclusivity utilizing Corso. So it's pretty cool. And then this Lovelace, they actually have this whole documentation talking about what Lovelace is. This on Pastebin. I'll put the link in the description so you guys could check this out. But what Lovelace is a BitTensor subnet that will offer AI code assistance, essentially meaning you don't need to code knowledge to create and build. So it's definitely unique. You read the brief here. Again, that's on the Pastebin, or if you guys want to learn more on the Medium, you guys can as well. That takes you to their page, the unlocking new horizons. So an open platform discovery. Lovelace stands in open platform, inviting all who are curious and passionate about the infinite possibilities of AI. So again, I think that's why ChatGPT was definitely got a lot of people interested in it, because there's an easy way with an easy UI where anyone could enter text and then they could get something, like an article or some sort of story or whatever that you put in there. I think having it easy and letting people kind of jump in there and have a platform where they could do so, I think is awesome. So it says it is designed to drive perpetual improvement, fine-tuning of AI models trained on pure code data sets. And then accessible technical expertise for all. So you don't need any background. Anyone can go in there and do what you need to do. So again, that's all the main information on the page. They kind of, like I said, they broke down to the archive, dig deep into each one of those, depending on what you want to do. But I think there's a lot of potential for this project. So if you guys want to learn more about Kizuna, I'll put a link in the description. But they reached an all-time high of 37 million from their stealth fair launch to initial EP of 1 ETH. Over $1 million worth of tokens have been burned. Remember, we took a look at that. There was like 3.05% of supply attained. And I just think it's pretty cool. Obviously, with this hype of everything in AI, I think they're definitely ahead of the curve. The people behind this are anonymous. But I do think that kind of gives them the benefit of being able to do what they need to kind of stay behind the scene and let the project speak for itself. Obviously, the crew, which they call it themselves, join the crew, is really passionate about this project. There's hundreds of members that are active, not only within the community on Telegram and Twitter, but also kind of behind the scenes, making sure this project is a success. So a couple things. If you guys are interested in checking out this project, I think one thing to do is obviously check out that Telegram bot. I'll put the link in the description, but and try it out for yourself. Obviously, if you guys want to learn about Lovelace, you can check out the whole entire summary of it, kind of where how it kind of sets itself apart. That's available for you guys to check it out. Obviously, it being tied to the Tau network is really cool, and you essentially also get Tau rewards just by holding Kizuna, so that's awesome. And again, like I said, that's why I kind of started off with the SHIB, where it's kind of taking the mentality and what they did there and layering AI on top of it. I think it's really cool. So it's essentially a meme project with AI rewards and utility. So kind of the benefit of having a community that people really want to stand behind with an awesome project that has like a ton of use. So if you guys want to check it out, definitely I'll put the link in the description. You can follow them on Twitter or X to kind of learn about it. Obviously, it's filled with this AI art. Kind of you could see the possibilities here. And again, I think it's super unique. I think the community is really behind it. I do believe that this project is definitely going to stand the test of time. Like I said, projects that are focusing on AI, I think are definitely ahead of the curve. So if you're interested in a new project that has done well in the past, that has a community that's constantly growing, that has a ton of utility with AI and the Tensor and everything going on with Tau, definitely check this project out. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys next time.